Hello YouTube! Today we are going to show you how to assemble this Winsetro ergonomic rolling drafting chair for a standing desk. Okay, the reason we bought this chair is that we can use the standing desk sitting down as well as standing up. And you don't have to adjust the height of the standing desk. You just hop on and off from the chair. Okay, and the chair has a little backrest as well as a footrest ring on the bottom, and this ring can be adjusted based on your length of your leg. Okay, right now I have it set it to the lowest level. Right, if you like this chair, there's a link to purchase on Amazon in the description, so go check it out. So right now let's go to the assembly line to assemble this baby right here. Let's go. Alright, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the owner's manual for the assembly instructions, which is one page. Nice, okay. Next thing we can look at is the lay out all the parts that comes with the package, okay? First of all, we have the wheels. We should have 5 of these. And then we have all the screws here. We can use a box. Okay, we should have 10 of these screws. Okay. So then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, and 2 we can use. Alright, and next thing we have a pole to connect the seat to the legs. Here's the legs of the chair. This is the back seat of the chair. This is the metal piece that connects the seat to the pole. Okay? And this is a wheel that you drive your car with. No, I'm kidding. This is the footrest for the chair. Pretty cool. Okay. So first we're gonna assemble the first step, which is to build the bottom part of the chair. Okay? We're gonna put the wheels in first to the leg. Let's do that first. This is the leg. Flip it up. Upside down. Just put the wheels in. It's pretty easy. Just not go in. Make sure you push it all the way. Alright. All 5 of them. If you miss one, it's on you. Yeah, push them all the way in. Okay, push all the way in. The black part should touch right here. Get closer look. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is to flip this like that, and then we are going to push the pole into the leg. That. Okay. Now for the wheels, it's a little bit tricky. See this little big knob right here? You can tighten it up, and there's a little plastic ring that goes inside the hole right here. You tighten up with the knob right here. Okay, and you want to place this in first, like that. See, the plastic sits on the outside of the pole, and you want to loosen the wheel all the way so you can snap this onto the plastic. Okay, now right now I don't know what height I'm shooting for right now, so just random. I've set it in the middle, and now I tighten the knob. Okay, so now the footstool is installed, and you can adjust the height of the footstool as you wish. That I will do that after I assemble the whole chair. That was step 1 of the instruction manual for the bottom piece of our chair. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is assembling the seat itself with the metal part. Okay. Now take note. There's a sticker right here. It says front. Okay. You can zoom out a little bit. Okay. That's the front of the chair. And also on your metal part, There's also a graving called says also the front as well. So make sure these two are lined up correctly. And you gotta line up the screws with the holes on each corner. You grab those screws, push it in, tie it in first with your finger, just a little bit, just to get in place. Alright, super simple. And you just want to tighten up more until you cannot do it anymore. But don't force yourself. I'm not trying to kill yourself here. Stay alive. And then we could use the tool to tighten it up all the way. Alright. This is only one-page instruction. It should be really simple. Okay? Now, that is the seat.
Is this close?
Okay, the next part is crazy because this chair has a really tough part on the bottom for the chair to the back of the chair. Because you have to have somebody, first of all you have to put the chair down like such. This is the back of the chair. This is the seat of the chair right here. In order to line up the holes, you have to have somebody push down from above like such to line up the hole on the bottom here. Okay, now we're gonna line up 3 metal plates, so 6 screws in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and it's very hard to line up with just without gravity. So you gotta have somebody to hold it down for you. Okay. Now we're gonna try to put the first screw in. And second screw in. Once you got the bottom two secure, then it's better to maneuver. Okay? So that's the way I do it. If you don't have a second pair of hands, then good luck. So once the bottom screw is in, look at here. Once it's in, you want to shift your gravity so the side is down. Okay, so you can line up the holes correctly. Oh, okay. Okay. Get some other screws. Alright. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay. Once again, you want to push it down to the hole so you get a good grasp. Not only you have to push it down, you also have to push it inward. Push the chair inward. Otherwise, just this one, I can't even get it. So, have to push inward. Let's push this way. Push this way, yeah. Push it down this way. Push it down, all the way down. Yeah. Okay, so that might just work. Now, I'm going to tighten it with my tool. Where'd my tool go? Huh? Oh, this one first. So now I got my tool. Just to tighten the side first. This one has a smooth in. This part, not gonna lie, is one of the hardest part of the assembly the instructions really minimal. It doesn't really tell you what tricks to use to put this in. It just tells you where the placements are. Okay, once you get this screw in and tighten it, there we go. Should be good enough. Now, so now we got all the screws in, and there. I'll zoom out. That's how it looks like. This is the bottom of the chair. This is the back support. All right. Not bad. This is the hardest part of the assembly. Now for the fun part. So now we finished step 3 of the assembly instruction, which is the hardest one. Now step 4 is pretty simple. We just snap this with the hole right here onto the pole. Okay? I just want to sit on top, give it a little push, and off we go. Okay? And then you can adjust the height of the chair from here. Yeah. I think this is the lowest setting they have. And then I can sit here. Woo! And this is the footrest right here. I think the footrest is just fine. I mean, you can adjust it. So, like I said before, you can adjust the footrest by turning the knob, loosen it. If I want to have it lower, have it at the lowest profile, maybe this make me feel comfortable. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. You try. Okay. So, how you feel? Good. Yeah? You can turn around like this. Alright, you can adjust higher, get off. And then yeah, don't let your kid do that. And adjust the chair higher to your liking. If you have a standing chair, oh my god, this is so high. I'm not sure if I'm how to get on it. You can let your feet dangle like this. That's cool. It's to a lower setting. Yeah, this is it. It's good.